Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Teams and locating the meeting entry. This is critical because only organizers can cancel. Once you find it in Calendar or the chat thread, verify the date, time, and attendee list so you avoid canceling the wrong event. Make sure any important files or notes are saved elsewhere before you proceed, because canceling can remove quick access. When ready, click the meeting to reveal the options menu and prepare to select Cancel or Cancel Meeting. Next, you choose Cancel Meeting from the meeting options. If you only see Edit, open Edit, then select Cancel. Once the cancellation dialog appears, write a clear message explaining why and propose alternatives, like rescheduling times or sharing the recording if applicable. You should include any follow-up action and relevant links so attendees know what to expect. After reviewing the message, confirm Send to notify everyone immediately and update their. Finally, confirm the cancellation by checking that attendee calendars update and the meeting status shows canceled. If some participants still see the event, resend the cancellation or message them directly in Teams to avoid confusion. Make sure the cancellation email was sent. If it failed, check your internet, sign in, and that you are the organizer with proper permissions. If problems continue, sign out and back in, or try canceling from the Teams web or desktop app to force synchronization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.